Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Word file you will convert. Check layout and images now, because the print option captures what you see. Once done, save with Ctrl+S or the save command so the current state is preserved. Make sure hidden track changes are either accepted or rejected, since those can appear in the PDF. Now move to the File menu. This is where print lives, and it's the quickest route to a PDF when you need consistent visual output. You open File and choose Print, or press Ctrl+P for speed. In the Printer dropdown, pick Microsoft Print to PDF, save as PDF, or another PDF virtual printer installed on your system. Before you click Print, adjust settings. Select page range, orientation, paper size, and scaling so content fits. If you need multiple pages per sheet, set that here. Once settings match your intent, click Print. This action generates the PDF file. You will be prompted to name the output file and pick a folder. Type a clear name, then click Save. After that, open the new PDF to confirm layout, fonts, images, and hyperlinks look correct. If something is missing or blurred, make sure embedded fonts are enabled in Word or try the Export Create PDF/XPS option instead. If the virtual printer fails, install an alternative PDF printer and repeat. One quick tip: restart Word if the Print to PDF option doesn't appear. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.